Hi guys, I'm back with another video. As you can tell by the title, today I'll be making chicken and shrimp Alfredo. Okay, so I'm going to start with the chicken. I'm just putting the chicken in the pan. Then I'm going to add some water, and then I'm going to let it cook. And then you're going to see me cut it up. Okay, so while the chicken was cooking, I just went ahead and put the noodles in a pot once the water boiled. Okay, while the chicken was almost done, I went ahead and started cutting the shrimp in half. If you're liking the video so far, make sure you hit that like button. Okay, once the chicken was done, I went ahead and started cooking the shrimp. So I just added some butter to the pan, and then I went ahead and seasoned the shrimp. Don't forget to hit that like button if you like this video so far. Once the shrimp was done, I went ahead and drained the noodles. Okay, so now I'm just going to start on the Alfredo sauce. As you can see, to make the Alfredo sauce, I'm just adding 1 stick of butter, some garlic, then I'm going to add the heavy whipping cream, when making this sauce, you gotta make sure you keep mixing it so that the sauce could become thick. Now I'm just adding some seasoning. So now it's time to add some cheese. So the first cheese I used was mozzarella with provolone, and then I used some Parmesan cheese. Now I'm just gonna cover it for a minute or two and then take the top off once it's done, and then you're gonna see how thick it became. Now it's time to mix everything in. So first I added the shrimp, then I'm gonna add the chicken, and then you're gonna see me add the sauce that I made. If you guys like videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can be notified when I post more videos. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you guys think.